xTiles versus Notion. Which productivity app is better? Choosing the right productivity app can transform how you organize your work without wasting time. xTiles offers visual workspace flexibility, while Notion focuses on all-in-one note-taking and databases. xTiles and Notion are popular productivity tools designed to boost organization and collaboration. The core difference lies in their approach. Tiles emphasizes a visual tile-based layout, whereas Notion provides a structured, database-driven workspace with extensive customization. xTiles is a visual productivity app that lets users organize information using draggable tiles on an infinite canvas. Each tile can contain text, images, links, or embedded content, allowing for a flexible, intuitive workspace. This format helps users brainstorm, plan projects, and manage tasks visually. Its drag-and-drop interface simplifies rearranging content quickly. Strengths include its highly visual approach and ease of use for spatial thinkers who prefer seeing all elements at once. However, xTiles has limitations in advanced database functionalities and automation compared to more structured apps. It's ideal for creatives, project managers, and teams who benefit from a visual overview rather than dense text or complex relational data. For those seeking a simple, engaging way to map ideas and tasks, xTiles offers an effective solution without overwhelming features. Notion is a comprehensive productivity platform combining note-taking, task management, and database capabilities into one workspace. It uses pages and blocks to build custom workflows, supporting rich text, tables, calendars, and relational databases. Notion's strength lies in its versatility and depth, making it suitable for detailed project tracking, knowledge management, and collaboration. Users can create templates, link data across pages, and automate workflows with integrations. However, this complexity can create a steeper learning curve and sometimes slower navigation. Notion is perfect for users who need structured organization with powerful database features, such as teams managing complex projects or individuals tracking large volumes of information. It excels when you require a centralized hub for both content and data with flexibility to scale. xTiles and Notion serve different productivity needs through contrasting designs. xTiles shines when visual layout and quick rearrangement of ideas are priorities, making it ideal for brainstorming or creative workflows. Notion's strength is in managing detailed, interconnected data with customizable databases and templates, suited for structured project management. While xTiles offers simplicity and visual clarity, it lacks Notion's depth in automation and relational data. Conversely, Notion's complexity can slow down users who prefer a more intuitive, less text-heavy interface. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize visual flexibility or comprehensive organizational tools. For fast, visual idea mapping, xTiles is preferable. For in-depth project tracking and data management, Notion is the better choice. Choose xTiles if your workflow benefits from a visual, drag-and-drop interface focused on creative planning and spatial organization without complex database needs. Opt for Notion if you require a powerful, all-in-one workspace with advanced database features and customization. It's ideal for managing detailed projects and data at scale. Both apps excel in different areas, so select the one that aligns best with how you organize and collaborate.